Hi, my name is KEIRA, and today we're going to be unboxing this Spa Luxetique set. So let's open this. This is a bath set, and I think it's perfect. You could give it as a gift to someone, get for yourself. Everyone loves spa stuff. So let's see what is inside. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so I have the Moonlight Magic set here today. So let's see what's inside. I believe this is a 3-step set, but let's check it out. Okay, so right off the bat, obviously the packaging is super pretty. I love the purple, matches my shirt, super cute. And then the back just has all the ingredients. It is cruelty free, which is amazing. But let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I can already smell like how good it smells just by opening up the box. It smells like lavender, and lavender is always great, especially to relax. So here is what it came with. First, it came with these little body creams. So we just got 3 little body creams. I think that's a little extra gift. So you get that on top of these 3 items. So we've got the shower gel, we have body cream, and then we have the body mist. So this is the quick 10-minute shower set, which is perfect. Alright, so first up we have the Lavender Dream shower gel. You get quite a bit in here. So let me go ahead and see what this smells like. It smells so good, so relaxing. I love lavender smell. It's just like, I feel like it just calms you down. So this is perfect to get if you're someone who is stressed out. Alright, then it is labeled. On here it says step 1, step 2, step 3, so you know what order to go in. So step 2 is this Lavender Dream body cream. So let me see what this smells like. Again, such a good amount of product. Like, that's huge for the price. Okay, let's see. This smells so good. Let me show you what it looks like. Here is the consistency. It just smells so good. It's got that same lavender smell. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. So moisturizing, it feels so soft. And then on the back of the products too, it does have instructions. So it basically just shows you what to do with it, and it shows you all of the ingredients again on the back. Okay, then step 3 is the Lavender Dream Body Mist. So let's open this one up. Again, such a great amount of product in here. Alright. So this one is the body mist, and ooh, it smells great. So the directions just say spray on skin as the last step after leaving the shower and enjoy the fragrance. Okay, so now I'll smell good all day. I love this lavender smell. Just so relaxing, so soothing. Okay, so that is the Spa Luxetique Moonlight Magic set, the 10-minute quick shower set. So I'm loving all of these. These are going to last me a long time because of how much product is in here. And I think this also makes a perfect gift for literally anyone, because who doesn't love a good shower set or bath set? They have all different kinds. But yeah, that is everything I got. Also the little sampler body creams, I believe from their other scents. But that's it. Thank you for watching.